Welcome to NALA Bushcraft. I'm Scout. Today we're going to be lighting a fire with a flare. They make shorter ones. They're called Camp Pros. They're made by Orion. This is a large one. This is like a regular wood flare. Now one thing I'm not going to do with it is light big stuff with it. You can light the small stuff and then put the medium-sized stuff, then large stuff on top like your regular fire pyramid. We're going to also demonstrate how to relight the darn thing. In which case I have my fire kit here, which is primitive with a flint and steel. Also I have a lighter with duct tape. And I got char cloth. I also got feather sticks. I'm going to set that off to the side. I'm going to clear a path. We got a bucket of water there. First we're going to light it. Hold it away from you because this will burn. If memory serves me right, it was about 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Hold it at a 45 degree angle. Expose your striker. And we'll begin. You don't want to smother a fire. You'll add your medium stuff to it. Then you'll add your bigger stuff for later. Now we're going to use this again, so we're going to pull this out after it lights. This stuff must be really wet. Okay, we have fire, so I'm going to empty this into the water. See how fast it was? Okay. We're gonna let this burn a little bit because I gotta relight this thing. And I gotta show you how to do it safely. Okay, this thing is out. I can touch it. I can feel it. I can rub on it. It ain't gonna do nothing. But I want to relight this thing. Again, hold away from your body. And there it is, it's relit. You can do that with a lighter, but I figured I had the flames here. It'd be a little easier to show you. It'll burn for about 14 minutes. Again, if you pick it up, it's perfectly safe. If you hold the stupid end, the smart end is what's on fire. Keep it away from you, point it away from you, and you'll be alright. Okay, it's out. But just be on the safe side, I'm going to drop it in water. Just enough to get it, make sure it's out. I'm not going to saturate the whole thing. There's still parts in here that's good. Now I get rid of this. I'm going to put this down with my tinder kit. Never leave a fire unattended.